The apartment smells of nothing but weed. No one is available to help me. Hi guys! Today is another vlog. Let's get it. Let's get it. I am about to leave my house to go on another apartment tour. This one might be different and I might be able to get better footage this time around though because it's a self-guided tour. So basically people don't feel like it was a tour or something. It's actually meant to give you enough time to just kind of take your time looking at things. So I'm really excited about this, and yeah, super fall morning time. Beautiful weather, perfect, chilly, but not too much. Sun is out, everything's happy. So yeah, I look like a bum, but when don't I? We're gonna go look at that apartment. I'm gonna stop rambling. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you, hold please.
Is not available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone. Press the pound key to end recording.
Guys, I'm freaking annoyed. They didn't tell me where I was supposed to park. They didn't tell me where I was supposed to go. So this tour is about to just not even happen. I could have slept in. So once again, this is a failed apartment tour. The apartment smells of nothing but weed. No one is available to help me on a self-guided tour. So now I get why they're doing self-guided tours instead of guided tours. This is ridiculous. I'm seriously confused as to where I'm supposed to be. Some of these doors are decorated, so I feel like these are actual homes, so how am I supposed to do a tour? Not see a room. Okay, update. I finally got help. She said take the elevator to the 3rd floor. So basically, I got help, but I already have bad feelings about this apartment, so we're gonna see. 8. Okay. Apartment 309. Okay, so to summarize everything before I go through this apartment with you guys, I parked. It took me forever to find parking. They didn't tell me in the email whatsoever where to go to park, so that was the first problem. Once I saw the little 2 tiny parking spaces they have for people to tour, I then tried to go into the entrance I ended up getting into, phoned in, no one answered. So then I went around the building and went into the main area, which is the creepy hallway you guys saw earlier. Of course, there was nothing for me to look at. So then I came back to this entrance. I was just gonna leave, but I decided to try again, and the lady let me in this time. And then I walked around because I didn't know where to go. So then I eventually found someone, and she gave me a key to this apartment. It's a 2-room, 2-bathroom. Already smells kind of weird, and I'm already not feeling it, to be honest. Okay, so this is walking in. They have this lamp. I'm not tall, y'all. I'm 5'2". This should not be this low. And on top of that, it's ugly. So that's the first thing. Maybe I'm a little biased, but it's whatever. So they have a fireplace, which that's kind of cool. Still looks dingy, but whatevs. I have my balcony of my view of other balconies. Very nice. Wood is old. You can tell she's biased. She doesn't like this. They do have their own air conditioning for each apartment, which I do like. And it is a good space. I guess in that corner you would have a dining room table, and this would be like your living room. You could have your TV here, or over here rather, and your couch here. And I can see this, it's spacious. I'll give it that. And then they have this closet next to the front door. I'm assuming here you would put like coats, people's shoes. So then you get to the kitchen. Is this these are the lights. So it's light wood, which I don't really like. But you get a lot of space. You get a stove, a sink that needs to be cleaned, a dishwasher, and a fridge. That is kind of dingy, but alas, it'll work. Then you come to a closet with a broken in. Ooh. Okay, this closet. Oh, this isn't a closet. This is a bathroom. Okay, I do like the space of this bathroom. It has a good amount, good size sink. It's a little messed up in there, but I'm not mad at the space of this bathroom, actually. It has its own little closet, so you can, oh, washer and dryer. Nice, nice. And then it has the shower. Ooh, which opens. Not mad at this. I have enough space to set up a camera. That's not bad. Is this a cabinet? They have a medicine cabinet. I've never had one of these. So that's exciting. Okay, so in here they have one of the rooms, I guess. And my idea was that if I got an apartment like this and got 2 rooms, one would be a closet. So this is looking like this would be the closet room because it doesn't look like a master bedroom. I'm always scared to open doors because I feel like something's gonna pop out at me. But it has a little closet in it. I could probably put my filming stuff in there. So we exit this, come back, and here is the master bedroom. Wow, 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 a lot of space. The closet is a walk-in closet. This is actually really nice, hold on. This I'm actually not mad at. This is a nice size closet. It's bigger than the apartment that I do really like. And everything is low, but I'm short, so for this, the shelf is great that it's low. But this gives me more than enough room for my clothes. So maybe this would be a closet and that other room could be a filming room or a beauty room. And this would be my main room. So this is the other bathroom, I'm assuming. And this, oh, this is spacious too. Okay, so again, it has some things that need to be fixed, but spacious, good size. The toilet's kind of weird looking, and it has a bathtub. So yeah, this apartment is gonna be another backup plan. I do like the size of it though, and I like the idea of having all this space for myself, but the creepiness of the hallways, the parking, I don't know, this is a backup plan. I'm definitely not like wowed by this, but it'll do if it has to. I mean, I'm trying to imagine myself here. Like, can you picture me decking this out? I know it's empty, it's hard to imagine, but like, I'm just getting comfy. Here's my closet. I could do lookbooks, what have you. Have my bedroom set up with everything in it. My bathroom door in my bedroom. I've always wanted that, to be honest. That I can just go take a bath, come out, chill in my bed, watch some movies, be spooky. And even though the windows are a little sucky, you can always fix that. You can just dress things up, make them look nice. The lighting is fantastic here, actually. This space here, but then you also do have another little space that leads to another space, you know? And even if I made this like a beauty room, yeah, this would definitely be a beauty room. Because look, this window could be where I set up my vanity in front of and do my makeup. Then I could also have like a day bed here that folds out for people who want to stay over, and then a bathroom for them. I probably will never use this balcony, to be honest, but it's there to just be able to say you have a balcony. Although I don't know what this is. This little door, I don't know. And I think if I deck this out, if I work my magic, I can make this cute too. I just don't like this. I wish that was like a better chandelier. The kitchen wood is not my favorite. I'm scared to open cabinets though, y'all, because I'm always paranoid that there's gonna be like a rat that comes out. Let's see. So, these are real doors. So that's nice. Spacious cabinets. Maybe I came in here a little biased because I was annoyed at first. This might not be the worst case scenario. You come with a microwave, oven. Ooh, it's heavy. This might not be the worst case. I think I'm either having a stroke though, or it looks like this light is kind of like low-key flickering. Can't tell. The dishwasher I probably will never use. So that's Gucci. Okay, I'm thinking about space and being realistic, and also the fact that this entire thing is very empty and it does not, you know, have furniture in it in my glam style, and no apartment, especially used, is going to be perfect. So this isn't as bad as when I came in and I was absolutely roasting things. But I will say the lamp, this little lamp over here, this creeper lamp, is ugly, and that little door stop is broken. See that? That just this ratchet. Okay, but it's cheaper than the other apartment. This fireplace would be cozy during the fall and winter, but is it safe? I don't know. And I don't know what I would set on here. I want to put something here. I get that this is like a divider. Maybe this isn't the worst thing in the world. And I also have to keep in mind that when I live here, I'll be able to park in a parking garage, but parking still sucks for people who don't live here. So that's another problem, because when I want people to visit me, where do they go?
Is it a candle? Hello, pumpkin. Yeah, I ain't gonna light it though.
No.
I'm afraid of fire.
I'm surprised you don't have incense. You seem like the type.
bro. These are so big.
You need me to get one out?
No, I don't need you to get out of my face. I pick up my own pumpkin.
Watch us. You look for smaller ones? This one's smaller.
I like them little birds.
They're so cute. These? They're adorable. Hashtag fashion. I like his glasses.
Ophelia, I hardly know her.
Are you a dad?
Yes, I am a father.
Hey, get it.
He Billy Rocket. He about to hit it hard. Yeah.
Get
He
it.
said on any block.
This is over. I look like a witch. Hey guys, so after my apartment tour, I went to Target with my sister, and then we filmed another video which will be going up later on this channel. But I wanted to kind of give you guys kind of my final thoughts on this apartment. Again, trying to get to the tour and start my tour was a mess. A struggle bus. It was a real struggle. However, once I figured it out from there and started to get past my initial pettiness, I actually feel like I liked the apartment. I don't feel so strongly about it to the point where I'm like, this is where I'm moving, but I don't feel badly about it either, and I still have months to look at other places, other apartments, townhouses, condos, other options. So I'm in no rush. It's just nice to know that there's another option out there that I wouldn't be upset with. But I think the one thing that I did learn after doing this tour is that I kind of want a 2-room if I can afford to have a 2-room, just because I want my space and I want to be glam and bougie. And that's just how I want to live my life. I only get one. Live it the way you want. But after I gave you guys a tour, I actually gave my mom and my sister virtual tours via FaceTime. And I really enjoyed giving my mom a tour because I just got to walk her through everything, and she's always super supportive. And she made me feel really good about that apartment. My sister thinks that it might be too big, but I'm extra, so her wants are different from mine. But I did appreciate her input as well, especially because she is someone who lives in an apartment right now. But I still like the size. I'm not mad at the size, and I don't think I'll have any problem filming it. So I would say that this apartment tour wasn't a complete bust. However, I really honestly thought I wasn't going to make it through the tour. As far as the Target and stuff run, you guys will find out more about that video if you stay tuned. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, because the video is actually something I've never done before. It's one of those trying this for the first time videos. And we also did a video for her channel, so I'm really excited about that. You'll have to stay tuned in order to see it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this apartment, and give it a thumbs up if you want to see more apartment tours and other things on my journey of getting my first place. And with all that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!